Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. It's Independence Weekend, and we are celebrating. Of course, today I will not let it pass without celebrating by cooking an authentic Jamaican meal for you. So, if you like seasoned rice, this one is for you. Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, if you prefer not to eat rice, I have the perfect replacement for you to do your seasoned rice. And today I will be using quinoa. So come on with me, join me in the kitchen, and I'll show you how to whip up this Jamaican style. Start off coconut milk. You can't be Jamaican without coconut milk. I use about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, guys. I stir this in well. First, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making my channel one of your viewing choice. Remember to like, to comment, guys, turn on your post notification, share my channel with your friends, and invite them too to subscribe. Next, guys, I add to this my powdered seasoning and salt, guys, and then I move in to add to 2 cups of quinoa. I add my quinoa in parts, stirring well, guys, and then I cover to cook for about 10 minutes on high heat. The ingredients that I will be using, I have some onions, bell pepper, of course, garlic, yeah, mixed veg. You know, it can't be seasoned rice without some ackee, guys. I have some diced carrots, guys. I have my codfish, I have my sausage, some salt beef, guys. The other ingredients are my powdered seasoning, guys, and my coconut oil. So I move straight to the pot, guys. I add my carrots, I had my garlic and onion. I add to that about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, guys. Saute in my vegetables nicely. Then I add to that my fish and meat. Stir this, guys, nicely. Let it be all flavorful. Then, guys, I add to that my ackee. You know, guys, for me as a child, this is one of the first meals that I learned to prepare. It is simple, it is easy, and it is full of a flavor. Next, family friends, I will add to that some pepper and garlic powder and stir it very well. Let me thank my loyal subscribers who have been with me week after week. Thank you so much. Please remember to like and comment. Next, family and friends, I will add my mixed vegetables, my bell peppers, and green onions. My spiritual nuggets comes to us from Hebrews 11 verse 1. I encourage you to have faith while you go through your season of despair. You might not see how you will replace that roof that you have lost during the hurricane. You might not see how you're going to pay for the school fee or buy the resources needed for school. But I encourage you to give your little to God and watch Him multiply it. Now, family and friends, you have stayed with me so far in the video, so I know that you're enjoying the video. So why not hit that like button? Of course, leave your comment and turn on your post notification. So, guys, my quinoa is all done, so it's time to put it all together. So, guys, I will add about 1.5 cups of quinoa. Remember, when you done cook it, it has increased in volume. So I will add that to my ackee and meat, guys, and then I'm gonna add to that my bell peppers and of course my remainder of the onions. Just look at how inviting this look. It was my absolute pleasure bringing this to you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next week.